This is the Enduro Deluxe Office Chair by Pago. The Enduro Deluxe Chair is a fully ergonomic, heavy-duty chair designed and tested to support users up to 160 kilograms. It features a breathable mesh back, adjustable arms, and an alloy base. The chair has a 3-lever posture-sure mechanism with a ratchet back and tension control. In the Enduro Deluxe Chair, you can adjust to the correct posture in a number of seated positions. The first lever operates the gas lifter. Place your feet firmly on the floor and ensure there is a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. For shorter people, this may require a footrest. Sit as far back in the chair as possible. The second lever adjusts the seat tilt. Push lever up to move. Release to lock in the desired position. We recommend tilting your pelvis slightly forward, generating better posture and lumbar support. The third lever operates the back angle of the chair for correct posture. The back can be fixed in position or allowed to move freely. Push lever up to move and down to lock in the desired position. The fourth adjustment is the tension knob. The tension the back exerts on you is adjustable. Just turn the knob clockwise to increase the back tension and anti-clockwise to reduce. The tension should be set so that your body is in balance, just hard enough to support you and easy enough to recline without too much effort. The back should easily be able to return you to the upright position. There is a lever on the left, which is used to adjust the seat slide. The Super Deluxe seat can be made longer or shorter to accommodate users with longer legs. The Enduro Deluxe Chair also offers an adjustable lumbar, which supports your spine. For greater posture, simply adjust the lumbar by firmly pressing the seat back down into its lowest position. Here, the seat back will be secured. To find a suitable position, raise the seat back gently, lift through the rungs, and find your desired position. Once reaching the top of the mechanism, the seat back will be released, and the process must be repeated. Lastly, the Enduro Deluxe offers adjustable armrests. The raised position is designed to support your arm when using a mouse. Lowered is preferable for getting the chair as close to the desk as possible. Pago chairs are built to last, so the Enduro Deluxe Chair carries a 15-year manufacturer's warranty. Thanks for watching, and congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office.